Alright, I just unbolted the solid state Tecumseh ignition unit. And I'm looking at the bottom here on the magnet where it picks up the reading on the flywheel, which are those. I took a file and I filed them back flat again, but I was noticing there's a lot of metal filings on the end of this and it's very dirty, so that could be why it's not getting spark. So what I'm going to do is just clean that up. Cleaned up pretty darn well. That right there is the magnet that reads these two sensors there. Everything looks good on the back. There's no cracking in the plastic. I'm going to get that wrapped up with some tape and I'm going to throw it back in. While I got it out, I'm just going to clean up. There's a little bit of debris in the cooling fins of the motor. So we'll get rid of that, make sure it doesn't overheat. And we'll throw it back in. Alright, got it back together. Retorqued the head bolts, reattached the fuel line, reattached the throttle cable, and I only put in this one bolt right there because in the last video you saw that this one was actually contacting the pickup on the flywheel, which caused the motor to have no spark. So tomorrow we're going to test this out, see if we can get it fired up. And for you, that'll be right now. Alright, well, taking a look at the head gasket on that wheel horse, it looks like it still is leaking a little bit, but it does seem to run better and has more power, so I think we're going to send it as is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. Thanks.